and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia. And guys, today we are in the streets of Eastleigh. So guys, this is the other side of Eastleigh 2023. So busy. And I will take you through the main street here in Eastleigh, the busiest street ever in Eastleigh. Guys, Eastleigh used to be a slum-like settlement in early 2000s, but things are different today. Business Somalis community have moved, changing Eastleigh to be a multi-billion business hub. Let's keep on walking. One thing I like about this place is it's full of malls. It has over 50 malls. The place is densely populated. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on walking to see what happens here. This is another mall. You can see. The place is full of malls. A lot of business takes place here. So guys, I want to go on the other side. And I don't know whether I can get a place with roads. So let's go and see from the other side. This is the only place where you can get items in a cheap price, and they also sell in wholesale. Let's get to the other side. Look at the view here. Let's get on the other side. So let's keep on walking. The place is so busy. If you want bags, you can get them here. Here we have clothes. I don't know whether to call this little Somali because it's full of Somali people. Guys, this is a raw video from Eastleigh.
let me keep on showing you around. And this is the only place where you can get all your items at a cheap price. This is so populated. Come and shop your clothes. Hi. Let's keep on going. This is a raw video from Eastleigh. It's on a Saturday, guys. I think I'm so fast. Lord, let me get to go. Let's go live. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going, guys. I'm showing you everything around here. And this will be one of my longest videos. So let's keep on going. Remember, we are in the streets of Eastleigh. We have another mall, upcoming mall here. Here is the mall. It's a big mall. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's go on the other side.
ndani ujionee. Hapa nakueleza kwamba kila kitu utaweza kupata kwa bei rahisi. Asanteni sana kabisa kweli, ambapo nimekueleza kwamba ndugu msikilizaji, bado hapa ndani uendelee kujionea, manake kila kitu nimekueleza kwamba hapa kama ambapo nakueleza kwamba wakiwa pale ndani wakitoka watafurahia, kwani watapata kwamba nguo zote za kila aina ziko hapa. Hapa nakwambia nguo zote za mama ziko hapa ndani, nguo zote za wasichana ziko hapa ndani, nguo zote za kijana ziko hapa ndani.
See what's happening here? The place is so populated.
Hakuna kitu inauza manguo kwa bei ya wholesale, kwa bei rahisi, manguo kwa bei ya retail, kwa bei rahisi. Hapa Makutudi ni shirika Retail. Hakuna kuuliza kwamba kila mtu aishie pale ndani na kuweza kujionea. Nimekueleza kwamba watu wanatoka mbali sana kuingia pale ndani. Ukiangalia upande wa mama wanasema unafurahia, ama mama unasemaje?
Here you can get your perfume. The malls are too many here, and all of the shops here in the malls are occupied by Somali people. Let's find a way to get out of here. People are so hardworking here, and I like how Somali, when they get a chance in a place where they can put their business, they don't take it for granted. They grab the opportunity. Eastleigh is so big, and it's a commercial hub. We have another beautiful mall.
Gani? Shari. Hamsini tu.
Pilipili, iko na pilipili?
Pilipili kwa alama, kwa iko alama.
Oh, hii ndio pilipili.
Iko alama ya. Ile ya Berlin kuna pilipili.
Sawa.
Sasa moja mbili.
Mbili.
Okay.
Sasa? Sijali. Utaki kuwa pia kwa TV? Utaki kuonekana kwa TV?
Hii mweka TV.
Kuweka TV?
Hapa tatu gani? Hii tende.
This man is selling acharia. We have mabuyu. What do we call this?
Cookies.
We have cookies. We have
Hii
dates.
tende. Hii.
We have small madazi there. So if you come to Eastleigh, make sure you visit. You visit. What is the name of this mall? What is the name of this mall?
United.
Make sure you
United.
visit this
United.
mall
United.
and make sure you say hi to
United.
this handsome man. It's okay.
Kama mia.
Emma, 100. Asante. Nimekupromotia, nitaweka hapo nikupromotie kazi, watu wakuja kununua. Haya, asante. Let's keep on walking. This is so big. This is so big, so let's keep on walking, guys.
Ay, wawa. Let's keep on going, guys. This place is so big. I love how Somali people know how to do business. You have beautiful dresses here. You have bags.
Wabebe katika beba.
So, I hope you are enjoying the video. Make sure you subscribe. If you are enjoying the video, kindly subscribe. Okay, if you have ever come to this place, let me know what you think about Eastleigh. Let me know what you think about Eastleigh. If you have been here, let me know in the comment section. Let me know what you think about Eastleigh and if you have been here before. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. I'm showing you around. This is the beautiful Eastleigh. If you want mattress, hi mama. We have a place where you can get your curtains. Let's keep on going. I told you Eastleigh has over 50 malls. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.